How to fix PlayStation Link USB adapter not working. Step 1. Try a different USB port. Unplug the PlayStation Link USB adapter, plug it into a different USB port on your PS5 or PC. If possible, use a front USB port on the PS5 instead of the rear ports. If you're using a USB hub, connect the adapter directly to the console or PC instead. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Completely restart your PS5 or computer. After it powers back on, reconnect the USB adapter. A simple restart can restore USB detection and re-establish the wireless connection. Step 3. Reset the PlayStation Link USB adapter. Insert the USB adapter into your PS5 or PC. Press and hold the PS Link button on the adapter for 30 seconds. Release the button and wait a few moments. This clears all existing PS Link pairings so you can pair your headset or earbuds again. Step 4. Pair your headset or earbuds again. After resetting, put your Pulse Elite headset or Pulse Explorer earbuds into pairing mode. Press the PS Link button on the USB adapter. Wait until both devices show a solid white light indicating a successful connection. Step 5. Reduce wireless interference. If the adapter connects but frequently disconnects, move it away from your Wi-Fi router, remove nearby wireless devices if possible, and use a USB extension cable to position the adapter away from the console or PC. Sony recommends this because nearby USB 3.0 devices and wireless equipment can interfere with the PS Link signal. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.